Assalamualaikum friends, here is circle photo frame templates for Photoshop. These are protected password in this app. Buy now for lifetime. Here is my Facebook page, join me, and last is Telegram channel. Subscribe me for latest notification of any video. Okay, and here is total 7 file. Open this one, and you see here in layer area you need 5 photo 1. Double click here and open this one, drag here, Ctrl S for saving, and you see our photo is here. Same thing here in 2. Now need a portrait photo like this one, drag there, enter Ctrl S, and our photo is here. Okay, so you can do one by one. Okay, drop shadow, like a 3D. Here is size, red, black is better, depend your own choice. Okay, and same folder here, just import 1 by 1. Here need 14 image. Okay, I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me and download this app for password. Take care. Allah Hafiz.